Today, I'm going to eat some bulldog while drawing and answering some question while I'm suffering. And if I failed to do this challenge, I must draw my friend. So enjoy watching me suffer. By the way, I make a weird noise, so pagpasensyahan nyo na. Ito yung mga example nun.
Oh, what the fuck is integral? So integral look like this. Oh my god.
So enjoy.
So today, eto na. I cook it. First bite. Oh. So, first question galing kay Air. Sabi niya dito, what are the things you hated most and why? Yung mga mababagal maglakad at saka yung mga nakaharang sa daan. Alam mo yung kahit public place yun, pero nandun pa rin sila. Parang nakakairita na kailangan mo pang ikaw pa yung mag-excuse sa kanila, di ba? Kumpara sa public place yun, dapat walang nakaharang. Then sabi, do you think I'm stupid? I think you're not, bro. I admire your knowledge from coding. And do you think I have paranoia? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Okay, next question. What was integral of tan? Integral of tan x. To be honest, I don't know. What is the integral of? Going to be divide sign. Okay, integral. What the fuck is integral? So integral look like this. And tan x dx. So what is tan? So tan is equivalent to sin x tapos cosine x. So let's this. I forgot what I called the rule, but let me try. So I think it's gonna be u substitution. So let's do sin x dx. U is equivalent to this gonna be 1. U du equal negative a u plus c. I believe that's gonna be plus c. Or substitute that thing to tan x dx given to negative a cosine x plus c. Right. I really hate you, bro. Alright, next question. Kung bakit naging crush mo si Natsu? Hindi ko naging crush si Natsu. By the way, Natsu is the adult filmmaker. Pero hindi ko napapangalan kung sino yun. Oh my god. Next question. Paano mo na-keep ang consistency sa pagbablog at paglalaro ng chess at pagdodrawing ng edge? I don't. Napapagod din ako and may times na humihinto ako for a couple of months. And itong pagdodrawing ko is nabalik lang nung I decided to draw. Since drawing is one of my passion. Wait, hindi yata nakano. Drawing is one of my passion. So I started to draw again. And yung pag-vlog, it's a digital what it called? Diary. So yun. At yung paglalaro naman ng chess, for fun lang. So that's it. I love number 4 underwater. What formula of quadratic formula? Ba't ang hiling niya magtanong ng math? Ah, anghang. Oh, that's it. If you want more, this is A for coefficient of 2x. B, this is the coefficient of x. C, it's equal to constant. And A, it's not equal to 0. So that's it. Okay, let's do 5. It said long. What's the next question? How you feeling right now? Suffering. Like I said, hindi ako masyadong kumakain ng food na maanghang. Kumakain naman ako ng bulldog, pero hindi yung puno na, alam mo yun, hindi yung puno na kinakain ko na too much. So yun. Cheese. So first question, the flame. Okay, let me eat. Let me eat. First question, what got into your art? Nainggit lang ako. Nainggit ako, tapos doon ako nagsimula mag-drawing. Kumbaga, nakita ko yung isang art ng isa kong kaibigan. Ewan ko if nasa na siya ngayon, pero yun, nakita ko yung art niya, then nainggit ako. Tapos doon ako nag-start na mag-drawing. Ang funny nga kasi ngayon, hindi ko na siya nakikita. Pero I still continue art. And the second question is, what is your favorite food and drink? My favorite food right now is madami. Kung ulam yan, maybe Japanese curry. Japanese curry, adobong matamis. Kung chips naman, ay it's number 7, right? 6, 7. Kung chips naman, honey butter. At kung drink naman, probably coffee. And kung soft drinks, Coke. Ano yung crook? I think nakakaya ko naman yung anghang, no? Dahil ito sa suffer ako. Oh, nakakaya ko na yung anghang. What the hell, eh? Siguro dahil sa cheese. Yung cheese hindi siya masyadong melt, pero malambot lang siya. See that? Okay, next question ni Flame. What is my gym schedule? My Monday, Wednesday, and Friday or Thursday. Yeah, Monday I'm going to chest and back. Wednesday is my back, and then shoulder and arms. And Friday I believe is gonna be a leg day. If you have a squad class, kanino ko ibibigay? Probably kay Harry or kay Rob. What's the next question? No, my God. If I could master a hobby instantly, what it would be? Probably art or content creation, or editing, so I can entertain you guys more. 15. That's super. I don't know what to do right now, to be honest. My drawing skill got from this to this. Or this is gonna be the last bite, and I need to not suffer. last bite, guys. Which fictional world would you live in? Probably Pokemon or Ghibli. Time travel. Would you rather always arrive 20 minutes late or 45 minutes early? Probably 45 minutes early. Background noise. Would you rather have your life narrated by a sport announcer or probably soft opera? It's so cool. 17. Graceful. Would you rather give up smartphone forever or give up cooked food for life? Most likely to work. Probably. I'd rather give up to cook food than my phone, because phone is my, it's my material to create something. 18 is filthy. You're gonna fight a clone of yourself, but it's gonna be psychological trick that you're gonna win. It is a little bit tricky kasi yung psychological to win. I know myself, I'm very weak na tao pagdating sa psychological. And boy, since I'm weak, I know that I can defeat myself by saying something like, "You're stupid." Or let me say, about the family that I grew. I can target that area and I know he's gonna crash out and want to kill me, but that's a part of it. When emotion is high, intelligence is low, so I'm going to outsmart my clone. Is a hot dog a sandwich or a unique owner category? Hot dog. I mean, I don't know. It's a sandwich. Just eat it. It's a food, man. It's a food. Maybe it's a sandwich, because by definition of that. Pero I don't know. Furious. How's life treating you at this time? At this moment, sorry. Life is been complicated, and to be honest, I don't really know what to do right now, since all of you think that I draw constantly, I continuously, I've been doing this, repeatedly for over and over again, that I don't give up. So yun, but life is just a question right now for me. From Harry itself. Nakakailang X ka na at anong pinaw mo sa akin? I probably have less than 20x. Or more than 20. I don't know. I don't remember, since I met my partner, yung current partner ko. We've been almost 6 years na together. And since that, I stopped counting kung nakailang X na, but in my own memory, it's all about Puppy Love, so more than 20 or less than 20. At sa pinaka nasaktan ako, I think I believe it was grade, nasan tayo? 23. Grade 6 ako. Oo, grade 6. Bro, hindi ko, joke lang. So, I was grade 6 at that time, and I have an ex na yun, naging kami for 6 months or 5 months or 3 months, basta 4 months or something. Medyo tumagal din kahit paano. And yun, and bigla siyang naipag-break sa akin for some reason, and ako inaalam ko bakit, kasi bigla na lang naipag-break, ganun na lang. I suddenly know that she cheated na nag-cheat pala siya sa akin, and I was devastated on all of that thing. And yun,
kung nasan ka man ngayon, sana masaya ka sa buhay mo at huwag ka na magpapakita sa akin. Yun lang. And what's next? Oh, bottom. Okay. What's next is, if you were taken back in a time, would have been taken you preferred course or stay with the one your friends would invited you. So basically, tinatanong niya sa akin kung babalik ba ako ng panahon, ang pipiliin ko ba yung gusto kong course o yung course na inaya niya ako. Kasi inaya lang ako sa data science eh. Pero for me, kung babalik ako ng panahon, I will take the choice na samahan ko pa rin sila, yung mga kaibigan ko na inaya lang ako. Reason? Because I really enjoy with this with this friendship that I have with my current classmate, yung current relationship ko sa mga kaibigan ko ngayon. It become more deep than normally it was. So I will rather stay with you guys, and na-enjoy ko din naman yung yung company nyo. Binati nyo nga ako ng happy birthday kahit hindi ko birthday so I really appreciate that. So yun, yun, mas pipiliin ko pa rin kayo. Okay, from last person na naka-receive ako ng question is from Zing. So sabi niya dito, what gave you motivation to pursue this big TikTok video, and what can you say to other aspiring artists? Oh, the motivation that I just continuously draw, na parang whether I am motivated or not, parang sige lang. Pero I'm going to draw 28 and 27. Pero kung naman, yung mapapayo ko lang sa mga aspiring artists, just keep drawing. Huwag kayong titingin sa iba, because yung art nyo is, yan yung pinakamagandang nangyari. To create your own, and subjective yan. Kung maganda naman yung drawing nyo, that's fine, diba? Mag-i-improve kayo. And if hindi naman maganda, and that's fine also, kasi there is always a room to improve. Yun lang. And the reason bakit din na-motivate ako na mag-drawing, because I build this little community, small community, like si Zing, si Athena, si Flame, si Mitski, si Kio, and other stuff, or other people na nagsusupport sa akin. Like, they become my friends, ganyan, si Newbie, and all. I really like the support. Tas tuwing papasok ako sa live ng mga artist na naging friend ko, they just gonna shout out me, oh, this is a good artist. It was really nice. Like, despite everything na mababa yung view count ko, despite everything na the effort doesn't reach the level ng expectation, it was still fine. I still got motivated na gawin yun. So yun. It's a little bit drama, but you know, if you know, you know. I think that's all the question. Kinaya ko naman, but I'm still gonna draw Harry or Rob. Here's all the drawing that here's the thing na formula ng tan na sinagutan ko ng substitution. This is the quadratic method. So yun. Thank you for watching, guys, and the next clip will be bonus clip. So yun. Sabi dito ni Ama Bakaskam, kuya, request ka po, draw ka po something cute. Alright, this is it. Here is it. Tangay na transition yan. Alright, here's your drawing, Ama Bakaskam. So I'm going to put that on the wall. So here are your requests. So please comment to put yours in the in the wall. That's me, by the way, because I am cute.
To those people who helped me na magbigay sa akin ng mga question and the idea was thank you so much, and I will shout out you in the comment section and to the description. I really appreciate you guys and thank you so much.
So I sent him the art, and I think he liked it. He said Gyat, and I said I'm Gyat, so approve.